Hi, you join me today in County Cavan. We're at Erica's Fairy Forest in the region of Co.Cavan. This forest was dedicated to Erica Ní Deangan. She was a lovely girl who died at the age of 6, and this forest was made by her parents in her dedication. The reason why it's the fairy forest is because Erica had a huge, profound love for fairies and unshakable belief that they were real and that the magical kingdoms were all real. This is her forest, and let's explore it. We were caught off guard by the rain, but our journey is not ending. We're continuing on to see Erica's forest trail because it's a lovely story of cancer, death, and believe it or not, she actually had a fairy of her own called Raymond, so we're looking forward to seeing that too. Check it out with us as we take the walk. So this has been Erica's Fairy Forest or Garden, whichever way you want to call it. It's a lovely place here in County Cavan. Today it's quite special because it's Halloween. So there's so many Halloween decorations everywhere. There's children dressed up, everybody's having a really nice time, and it's lovely. The weather is not great, but that doesn't stop anyone. This is a must stop if you have small children or you just want to have the kind of childhood experience once again. It's really nice. For now, I'm just going to walk around this forest park and explore. This will probably be the end of the video. So, I'll see you some other time. Take it easy. Bye.